they're not actually doing the podium stuff. They won't announce the winners because they want everybody to leave. You know, God forbid we breathe on each other after running a half marathon.
I don't know if I've ever felt this miserable.
What do you mean?
You had me up at the fucking restaurant last night.
It's 6:40 on a Saturday morning in the dark. We paid to run a half marathon back in April. We were supposed to run it back in April. And, you know, it's now October, what, 16th, 17th? So,
you'd think we'd be more prepared, but
yeah, we're running it today. We are not prepared.
On a month's notice.
They literally had a vote in Clermont like 3 weeks ago if this was going to happen or not, and it's happening. And there are a lot of fit people out here. We're not those people.
You're not.
Yeah, whatever.
Line up. You're going to line up underneath that blow up and face the water. We're going to be coming down the side.
So they're doing races every 2 minutes. The first one just went out. We're C, so we go third. So in 4 minutes we'll start. They have everybody trying to social distance and wear masks up until they leave for the run. So pretty interesting.
A little chilly.
$12 freaking miles. First time I'm walking. Getting past. I don't know if these people are the ones that do the 10K or whatever. It doesn't really matter. At this point, I'm just trying to finish. How you guys doing? This is brutal. I haven't done this in so long. It's been 2 years since I ran Clermont. We did the Ironman last year, which was the half marathon, but this is I barely trained for this. Slow down. She didn't hear me. Oh God. All right. I hope everybody's having a great morning. Most people aren't even awake yet, I'm sure. I got less than a mile ago, so I'm gonna turn my music back on and finish it out. See you soon.
From the villages.
Oh, my bad. Sorry about the 5K. Half. Oh, thank you. Alright, so apparently there's a half going on with the 5K. That's exciting. So apparently you finished the half marathon and then the 5K is running right through the finish line. So that's pretty cool.
Sommer
Brutal.
from St. Cloud.
That was a tough one. I finished in about 2 hours, 10 minutes. I forgot to stop my watch because, you know, that's the way it goes. But Natalie's still out there. And she's got probably, I don't know, half hour left. I think she's at mile 10 by now, or 11. I think she told me 11. so I don't want you guys to hear me breathing heavy. I'm sure you have. This is the finisher medal. So they're not doing the awards here. They're having everybody just go home, and then they're gonna send everybody's stuff, apparently, to their house. Anyway, so they're not actually doing the podium stuff. They won't announce the winners because they want everybody to leave. You know, God forbid we breathe on each other after running a half marathon and getting all the germs all over the aid stations and the porta potty toilets and handles and all that kind of stuff. And I did find out that the people that were passing me were the 10K runners. So screw you 10K runners. All right, I'll try and get Natalie when she comes across the finish line.
Jennifer Brewer from Orlando. Joseph Jennifer Amundsen.
Started on the 10K.
Oh,
So
really?
it was like just a wave of people.
Running through them. All done.
Mm-hmm.
What are your thoughts?
I want to go home, take a nap.
How was your run?
I think it could have been better.
What did you run?
At 2:33.
I think I ran a 2:10. I forgot to stop my time, so I'll have to look at it later.
They sent me a text message.
She feels like we feel. I just saw her take a deep breath. I feel your pain, fellow runners. I think that's something about running, is that when you're out there running, you know how every single person feels, no matter what. Whether you're running a 7-minute mile or a 17-minute mile, everybody feels the same way running what they're running. It's crazy. Everybody's at the same pace. Well, at the same, their level, same level, whatever. You know what I mean. I'm a little whatever because of that run.
Mind fog.
Sure. The fog of war. Oh, God.